So now the next topic of parameter is top 10 or top N parameter. Okay. So you want to look at N items at the top. For that, we're going to prepare a bullet chart for at the product level. So at the product level, there's lots of products. Okay. So we want to include a kind of a filter using parameter that will allow users to decide how many top products they want to see. They want to see top 10 or top 20 or top 50 or something like that. So what we're going to do is to first create two calculated fields. Okay. So we're going to do create calculated field sales 2014. We're going to do if IFF for date part. So we're going to look at date part of date of order ID. And what date part? So you have for date part, you have to indicate first what part of the date we want. We want the year, the month, the quarter, or day, or what. So we want year, so it should be like that. Okay, comma, order date. All right. So that's your date part. If that is equal to 2015, right? 2014, then sales, otherwise is IIF. Not IF. So now calculation is valid. Okay, so let's copy this so we can repeat this for year 2015. So now 2014, we have 2014, and then (2015). Okay. So now we have 2014 and 2015. Okay. So we want a bullet chart like that for 2015 and 2014 being the reference line. See, bullet chart is bar chart for one measure and a reference line for another, right? Now when you do bullet chart, so we have a bullet chart like this, but the problem is the it's plotting 2014 and the reference lines are 2015. You want it the other way around. Okay, and for that all you have to do is to click here and then click swap reference line, so that will swap it. Okay. Now let's sort this from top to bottom. Now we can add a parameter for top. So drag product name into filter. All right. So we have product name, and here top okay, so here we want top by sales 2015, and we create a parameter, and the TopN filter. So current value is top 15, for example, and we'll have a minimum of 10, maximum of 100, okay, and say in steps of 5. All right, so we have a filter attached. So now the top 15 is, so here is the filter. Let's move it here, and then when you adjust this filter, you get as many as the filter represents. And of course you can add a index if you like. Index, change index to discrete, put that index on this side, so then you have the index showing up as well. So this is another basic parameter. First basic parameter was for histogram bin size. Here it is TopN in filtering. There is one more basic parameter, that would be in reference line. Okay, shifting reference line up or down, that would be another basic parameter, which we will do next time. And then after that we will look at advanced parameters.